Hi, today I have received a product from Flipkart which is a Huion pen tablet. As you can see, the box is completely well packed, but I found this hole over here. Whatever, seller should pack this box properly because as I found, the inside the product or inside the box, the product is moving while I shaking this box. So seller should provide any cushioning or fill the gap which is inside this upper box. However, let's unbox it. First I'll put it over here. Okay. So here is our Amazon box. Sorry, I didn't buy it from Flipkart. I buy it from Amazon. Mistakenly, I said that. Okay. So let's reopen it again. I'm making this video just because to be ensured the product is in well condition and to share my experience of purchasing from Amazon to the very first time. Okay. As I told you, seller should fill this gap to prevent from any damages while moving. Okay, however, let's make it. So here is our product. The product is called Inspiral H1060P. The brand is from Huion company. Okay. The box is well seal packed. Let's open it. So here is our tablet. This one is our pen tab. And inside the box we will found a manual. We will found a converter USB to Type C, and we'll receive a pen. I think so. Yes. There is a cable which used to connect this tab to the laptop or computer. This one will be used to write anything by using this tab, and this will be used to keep your extra thread which will be used over here, and to keep your pen over here by this position. Okay, let's open it. Oh my god, this is so big, and my writing area will be over here to over here, which is almost 11-inch writing area, and overall the size will be more than 13 to 14 inches. After using, I will share my experience to you and give you the review.